Hey guys, this is Maya and you are on my channel Bookshot. If you are new on this channel, here I talk all about books, and if you are interested in books, make sure you stay tuned with Bookshot. I was getting a lot of requests to make book recommendation videos for children, so I decided to come up with a special series on Bookshot which is specifically designed for children. Now, personally, I believe that recommending books to children is not an easy job at all. But since I enjoy reading children's book, I thought, why not? So, if you are a child yourself, or if you are a parent or a teacher, do consider subscribing to my channel for some valuable book recommendations for children. Having said that, Bookshot is now on Telegram as well. I have a Telegram channel by the name Bookshot Read, Learn and Grow. There I post a lot of updates, some podcast recommendations, some really interesting short movie recommendations, documentary recommendations, and I am also planning to come up with some bookish fun quiz contests there. So if you are interested to join in those activities, do consider subscribing to my Telegram channel. You can find it by typing Bookshot Read, Learn and Grow, or I will leave the link in the description box below. If you are interested, do check it out. Today, let's talk about this book called Bullies, Cyberbullies and Frenemies by Michelle Elliott. This book is specifically addressed to pre-teenagers. Pre-teenage is an age somewhere around 9 to 13 years. And in my opinion, not only children, even parents and teachers, or if you are someone who deals with children on a regular basis, should read this book. This book is basically about different types of bullying that happens to children in an early age. It mostly talks about bullying that happens in school, but before you start saying who goes to school these days, everything is happening online, hold on. Bullying can happen even in your family, it can happen in neighborhood, and cyberbullying is the most common problem that kids are facing these days. Now, what exactly is bullying? Bullying is when someone deliberately tries to make you feel miserable or threatens you. Here you will get to know about different types of bullying. There is physical bullying, there is emotional bullying, there is silent bullying, there is something called homophobic bullying. Now, let's stop there for a while. Homophobic bullying is something very serious, and every kind of bullying has its own adverse effects, but homophobic bullying is something that needs to be addressed on a serious note. Let me try to explain you what this bullying is in simple terms. Here the bully is the one who bullies, and the one who suffers is called the victim. So the bully uses words like gay, lesbian, transgender, bisexual, etc. in a very negative way to taunt the victim. Here the problem is this can affect victim at various levels. Sometimes at that age, kids might not be sure about their sexual identity yet. And in this situation, when somebody calls them these names, it makes them feel really miserable. They feel frightened, they feel ashamed, and they do not know what to do and whom to approach. So this can cause a serious emotional breakdown in the long run. So I think this is a very serious matter to be taken care of. And then there is frenemy bullying. A frenemy is nothing but a friend who acts like an enemy. And there is cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a very common problem that kids face these days. So the author explains you about all these bullies and then tell you what to do if someone bullies you, whom to approach, and what to do if the person whom you approach is not helping you. In this book, you will get to read some messages that children sent to this author telling their problem. In that, there was one boy who said he was bullied by another boy in school, and he told this to his father. The father said, "You tightly slap that boy if he annoys you again." But the mother said, "You should not do that, that is not the right way to react." And guess what? This ended up as a fight between the parents, and the boy started feeling like, why did I even tell them my problem? So this can happen. Sometimes adults can take you very lightly, and people might even tell you that these kind of bullies happen in school, it's normal, ignore it. In such situation, if you are really worried about something that is happening in your life, the author tells you what can you do to tackle with these situations. You will get to know when you read this book. Now the author tells you the difference between teasing and bullying. There is a fine line between teasing for fun and crossing that line at some point. When you cross the line, it is called bullying. This applies to families as well. Sometimes siblings or cousins might tease each other for fun in a humorous way, and one should be able to see it in a humorous way. But at some point in time, if any one person is feeling uncomfortable because of this teasing, it should be stopped. Because fun is fun when everyone is having fun, right? Otherwise, it becomes something else. This book will even guide you how to help a friend if that friend is being bullied, how to avoid suicidal thoughts, because sometimes extreme bullying can even ruin a child's life forever. There are also chapters which has positive affirmations for children, how to make friends, and many things like that. Towards the end of this book, there are a few more book recommendations based on the topic of bullying and solutions to it. I will add the name of those books in the description box below. As a note to children, read this book and analyze where you stand. You might be a very good child who do not annoy anybody. In that situation, this book will help you to understand what to do if somebody bullies you. And on the other hand, sometimes we don't even realize that we are causing trouble to other people. It might be fun for us, but it might not be fun for the other person. So when you read this book, you will realize whether you are doing any mistake or you are causing any kind of trouble to other person. And this book will help you to understand why you should not do it, because if bullying gets extreme, it can get you into serious trouble for sure. So be careful about it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know if you happen to read this book. This book was published in 2013. So if you have already read this book, do let me know that as well. And what are your thoughts about the book? So waiting for your comments. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.